fraught with confusion. One man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. A question that has come up is, how did I get the name Mr. Moderator? Well, it wasn't something that I came up with. As I've mentioned previously, this all started with Doc Rock, and so did that. One day on one of his streams, Doc referred to me as Mr. Moderator, and it's kind of caught on. Other content creators that I moderate for have referred to me as that, and Doc Rock continues to refer to me as Mr. Moderator. So it's kind of stuck, and that's where that came from. Before we get into today's topic, if you're getting something good out of this, I'd like to invite you to click the like, subscribe, and click that little bell so that you're in the loop for getting all of the content that I'm putting out on moderating this month. Everything in moderation over the next 30 days. So let's jump into today's topic. Do I need a moderator? And to put it simple, I guess you're getting a reminder to subscribe again. Gotta love overlays sometimes. Anyway, yes, you do. If you have more than 5 people watching your channel, you need to think about getting a moderator. And it's best to do that when you're early on, rather than waiting until you have 20, 30, 40, 100 people watching your stream. By getting a moderator earlier, you learn to work with the moderators and you kind of understand what they can do and how everything works. And you can kind of set your, work on setting your guidelines. You're the one that picks the moderators. And so if you're new, either have a friend or somebody that's been watching your channel is engaging with you, that you know, something like that. Make them a moderator. You want to have some trust in them because you are giving them some power. They are going to be able to do things, and we'll be talking about that in future streams. But I encourage you to do that early and just get used to having a moderator around. Moderators can help you a lot. They can go through and look at the comments that are coming in. They can deal with any kind of spam bots that are coming in. They can kind of help you set the pace with your community in, the types of chats, what you want to see happening, maybe answer some basic questions for some of the people, kind of help them. As you notice on a lot of the streams, we tell people to put a Q: in front of their questions. That helps you as the content creator be able to filter those questions out. So if it's a busy stream one day and you're getting lots of comments and people are talking to each other and you just want to focus on the comments, you can filter all those out by looking just for the Q:. Your moderators can also help you deal with problem children. If somebody is posting wacky stuff or trying to disrupt the group, they can time that person out for 320 seconds on YouTube. Or if they get really unruly, they actually have the ability to block them from the channel. They will be able to see you when you're online and what's going on. They'll be able to read the comments. They just won't be able to post any comments. So they may type a comment in, but the stream will never see that comment. So they have that ability too. And again, we'll talk a little bit more detail about that in some of the future episodes. But I wanted to just stress the point that yes, you do need moderators. You need to start looking at them and looking for them early. Again, you're the one that picks the moderators. If you bring somebody on as a moderator and they're not what you want or they're just not working out, you can take that away from them. It's, you're giving them the honor of being a moderator, but you can also take that honor away. It's not a lifetime, achievement award that you're giving away. You're in control of that. You can, you can give and you can take. But again, I encourage you to start looking at moderators if you're young in your channel. And if you've been around for a while and you don't have moderators, start looking now. They will help you tremendously. So as always, if you have any questions, any comments, anything you want me to cover in the future, or any basic questions you want to ask me, please feel free to put them in the comments below and we'll address them in one of the future episodes. So I hope you have a great time and we will talk to you on one of the next streams if I can find the right button to push. Take care.